Hari Om. In today's session, we are going to talk about what to do when you are confused or when you are not able to take decision in the current situation. First and foremost, the good news is you are not going to do this with your eyes closed. You are going to do this with your eyes open. So what you do is, first take a moment, sit at a place which is very comfortable, which is extremely peaceful, with a nice open mind. You think, what is your current situation? You think, what are the options available to you in the current situation that you are trying to explore? You think, have I covered all the options that are available to me? For this session, I am just considering that you have 3 alternate options available to you. So what you do is, you take a paper like this. The heading obviously would be what to do when confused or not able to take decision. Describe the current situation. Write it down. Write down what are the positives of the current situation. Write down what are the negatives of the current situation. Then describe option 1, the positives of option 1 and the negatives of option 1. Then describe option 2, positives, negatives. Describe option 3, positives, negatives. So what would happen is, you would make a very objective assessment of the current situation and the various options available to you. Once having done that, what you do is, show this paper to 5 of the people whom you trust. Those people can be your family members, it could be your friends, it could be your office colleagues, anybody, but people whom you trust. That is very important. Don't take suggestions or views of people whom you don't trust. So once you have done that, get the ranking of those 5 people on each one of this. If current option is the best, then give it 1 ranking. If option 2 is best according to that person, give it 2nd ranking. If option number 3 is the next best option, let the ranking given by that person be 3. So accordingly, 5 people will do rankings here. Total it up. And when you total it up, the option which has got the highest ranking, which means which has got the lowest number, 1 is lower than 4, right? So which has got the lowest number is the option that is best for you. This way you would rule out all the subjectivity into decision making process, and you would be very objective with what you are planning to do. And then go and decide with full commitment, with full hope that that's what I want to do. Most important is You should be committed once you have decided, and you should be very hopeful that this option is best in the current situation. I hope this session has helped you in taking decisions in various options available to you, and you are able to get rid of your confusion. Thank you. Hari Om.